Right guys, weird angle moment again. I'm doing an unboxing. I can't get the boxes in frame. So I'm just doing it freehand. Well, for the intro anyway. Just the two, I've took the outer like plastic sleeving off just to hide my address and whatnot. So let's get into it. Just give me a minute. Right guys, just a quick video, quick unboxing. I've kept these, this one arrived yesterday and this one arrived, I think it was last week, but I never got round to unboxing it. So I just thought I'd do both together whilst they're here. I know what that one is. I know what both of them are, to be honest with you. We'll do this one first. Just move my light a wee bit. Do I really need a knife for this? Bit safe and sorry, eh? Right. There we go. Did I nick that? No, it's a wee thing. Like rubbish. Just an unboxing, just to show you. Yes, Borealis. You might remember, I've done a full review of this watch. But this, they sent me the white dial. Let me zoom in a wee bit, hang on. This is a gift to the channel, hence the paid promotion on this video. The other one I paid for, by the way, but we'll get into that in a minute. Right. Oh, see, try to do anything with gloves on, man, it's a friggin' nightmare. So there you go, the Borealis Lusitano in all its glory. White dial, lovely jubbly. Thanks very much, Carlos, much appreciated. I do like this watch, and it looks, I think I reviewed the grey one, but obviously I have my favourite colour, the white. So, if you want to, just search my channel if you want to see the full review of that. Right, next. This is a what? Oh Jesus, that's close. I'll just open this out of the box quickly. This is one I purchased myself. Just ordered it the other day on a whim. I was just browsing and I thought, whoa, I want one of them. Oh, invoice. Oh. Packed really well, as you can see. It's a Citizen. So, what one did I buy? I hear you ask. 6-year warranty, lovely. Citizen, just what's that in there? Guarantee information, thank you. But you're not interested in paperwork, like myself. So what did I buy? Well, I bought one of these things. Oh. There we go. Take that excess toilet roll holder thing that's in there. Oh, I'm only kidding. There we go. I'll show you the tag so you can get the serial number off it. Not the serial, the model number. Do you see that? AW01 30-85A, and it is Eco Drive, full titanium, lovely size. I think it's 39, maybe 38 and a half or something. I don't know, I can't remember. Day date. Aye, it's really nice actually. It weighs nothing. Feels like a toy watch, but obviously it's not. Eco Drive, so once I get it all unpacked, size for my wrist and the date and everything all set up, I'll never need to touch it again. So just a quick video guys, just to let you see what I'm up to and what's coming for review. Well, it's only this one because I'm not reviewing the Borealis again. Right guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles!